Yo, what's up guys, and thank you guys for watching this video. Today I'm going to be replacing the door handle on my Nissan 350z, and this is the passenger side, and this door handle just slowly gave up. It would sometimes work, sometimes didn't work, and now it just doesn't work. The only way to actually open the car is to actually unlock it from the inside, and that's how you open it. And it's really annoying because I cannot open the door to any girls. So this just came in the mail. This is the new one, and this was only like $30 on Amazon, and hopefully it works just as fine. So let me go ahead and get my tools. For the tools, you don't really need much. You just need something to pop a cover off the door handle, and I'll show you right now. You just need a 10mm socket. So if we go over here to the door handle, we have to pop that little cover off and this little cover off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. There, one came off, the other one came off, and as you can see, there's some bolts on there, and that's why we need a 10mm. And make sure these bolts do not fall down the door, or else that's just gonna be more problems. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my socket and unbolt these. So I went ahead and got these bolts out. Now be very careful, because this very bottom one, it could easily fall if you don't hold on to it tight. So what I usually do was I got these tweezers, and that's how I unscrewed it. So the next thing you do is pretty simple. You just pop off the door handle. It should come straight out. Now I already see the problem. Do you see that? You see that? It literally just broke. It was just so weak, it just broke off. So you're gonna, the most important piece that you want is this little rod right here. Remove this piece and we should be ready to go. So as you can see, I got the piece, and let me compare the two door handles side to side. So as you can see, there we have the new one, and look at the old one. It's just this part right here just completely broke off. It was supposed to be right here and actually fell in the car. So let me go ahead and get it. All right guys, the next step is just to install this metal rod right here to the new handle. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So as you can see, I went ahead and installed it, and if you move it, it moves with the door handle. And the next thing you want to do is aim the end of this rod to this little blue unlock mechanism. So I'm going to show you. You see the little blue piece right there? That's where you want the rod to end up at. And after that, the door handle should snap back in place. Alright, so it's a tricky situation, but you just gotta aim for the rod to enter and just slide the door handle in. Hopefully it did work. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it back on and see if it works. Alright guys, so I went ahead and just bolted one of the bolts to see if this is gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the door. Oh, it doesn't fall off, so that's a good. I'm gonna go ahead and close the door. I'm gonna lock it. Right, it shouldn't open. If it opens, so you can see it does not open. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. Dun 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 dun. Awesome. Yeah, this feels way sturdier. It feels even sturdier than the driver's side. So as you can see, all I have to do now is just put on the other bolt. I locked it right now, so it doesn't open. But if I unlock it, it works. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. All you have to do is just reverse what you did. So put on the last bolts and put on the covers, and that's gonna be it. Peace out guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.